and just wanted to share with you today Tonka Town toys. This is a fire engine complete with roadblocks and firemen. So just to give you an overall and close view of this particular toy. We bought it from Knockuts, which is a shop near us, and it was $14.99, but it looks to be a robust, fun toy to play with. And just show you from all angles. And here there are some other toys to collect within the range. Tonka toys are made by Hasbro, and my children have had them and been very happy with them. And just to show you close inside there. So there you go, that's the Tonka Town toy fire engine complete with firefighter and roadblocks. So do subscribe, Google Plus with your friends, and do come back again soon. So